𝐃𝐤 store. All will be found here.
Let's unbox the Blackview wireless earbuds. Now what makes these earbuds stand out is they have exceptional noise cancellation technology. So I'm going to put that to the test. Now this is what you get when you unbox it. It has all the instructions and then of course the earbud case itself. And when you pop this open, you'll have the USB-C to USB-A charging cord. And it also comes with 3 different earbud sizes to best fit you. And it comes with an impressively thick user guide, but that's mostly because it comes in a variety of languages. So let's check out the box itself. Now to start off with, on the front, it actually shows you how much battery this box has and how well charged both earbuds are. And the USB-C port is right on the bottom. It's a good, sleek box, closes nicely, feels good in my hand. Definitely a higher quality box than many I've come across. Now the earbuds themselves look pretty standard. They have a slightly larger exterior piece here, and I'm hoping that's going to make for some really high quality sound. And they are touch controlled on this side right here, and that's how I can tap to play pause, to answer or hang up on a call, to talk to Siri or Alexa. It's all a matter of tapping or holding down this part right here on each earbud. So putting them in, they feel really nice in my ears, really easy to connect to Bluetooth, and once they're connected, they will auto-connect every time I plug them in. Now the first thing I want to test is the noise cancellation. To do the noise cancellation, it's actually the left headphone. You just hold it for 2 seconds, and it will beep. And right now, it has taken away all noise cancellation. And this is very interesting as it sounds like it's actually recording what it hears outside and playing it to me to try to give me as much noise as possible. Very interesting on the full transparency mode. If I click it again though, it does a little beep when it goes into each mode, and now it's in active noise cancellation mode. And that's really, really nice. It's really weird. I can't hear anything else at all. And it has one more cancellation mode, so I'm going to go into that real quick. And that is exceptionally quiet. I'm not hearing anything else. I could just keep these in and just keep all the noises out, as it works really well for that. Now the earbuds don't just do noise cancellation, they can also talk to your voice assistant. For that, I'd press on the right one for 2 seconds and it would talk to my voice assistant. They have play pause control, volume control. You have all the controls simply by tapping the correct amount of taps or holding. Now let me listen to the sound real quick. The sound on these is excellent. It's not tinny at all. I'm getting really bright sound. I'm listening to some very light drumming and electronic music. It has good bass. I can hear all of it really quite well with these earbuds. I'm really impressed with these earbuds. Now my one complaint about them is that they are larger. This piece right here is definitely larger than a lot of the earbuds I've tried, and I think that's what is also making them so great. They're supposed to have a 54-hour battery life, which is exceptionally long. I know they charge really fast with this charging box. The sound is excellent, the controls are excellent, but the one thing you're giving up with all of that is that they're just not as sleek as some other options. But I will take battery life and sound quality over sleekness any day, and these still look really great. So if you're on the hunt for a fantastic pair of earbuds that won't break the bank, the Blackview earbuds are an excellent option.